Hey everyone, I'm Rosie. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna make a collage today, but I kind of was just in the mood to do something like a little bit more vloggy, a little bit more casual. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I wanna make a collage today. And also, by past couple of videos, I've done like a Q&A, an abstract collage. I'm kind of missing the like really absurd, surreal collage thing. So I would love to make the most absurd collage I've ever made. So let's see if we can make that happen today. I also have to like clean up my desk and stuff. It's kind of a mess, so I have to set some stuff up and I have no idea what we're gonna make, so I'm gonna have to start flipping through some books, see if we can find an image that I like. I kind of feel like starting with a person. I don't know. I don't like thinking about it. Let's just jump into it and see if we can make the most absurd collage I've ever made. So when I'm really not sure what I want to make, which is almost every video, embarrassingly enough, I just start pulling books off my shelf that I don't know, like in that moment. So here, let me put you guys down and we will just pull out some books that I don't know, I'm feeling like today. There's this Yosemite like little booklet, which I've had for a while, and there's some big like Yosemite pictures in here. I've never used this. Oh, here's like a cool waterfall. Maybe we'll want to use that today. What else? Oh, I feel like I haven't looked at this one in a while. I have this Window to the Future. It's like a collection of old ads. So there's some cool stuff in here. It does kind of feel like it's cheating because like they're old ads, but in like a new book, but that's okay. So we'll flip through that. Oh, this book. Okay, I've had this for maybe like about a month. It's called Aquarium Fish. And there's some cool, like really full page fish pictures in this book. And I think they're kind of interesting. I like how they're like a little bit older. And so the colors are kind of faded and interesting. And there's, oh, like this image is very cool. So maybe we should flip through this and see if we like anything there. What else? This is like an old, it's called Every Woman's 18 New Quick Mix Recipes Not on the Box. So it's a magazine, but it's like all food things. And this paper is like really old, so I'm probably gonna like tear whatever I pull out of this. I feel like there might be something interesting in here that we can use. I haven't gone like to the thrift store and bought new books in a really long time. So I'm kind of feeling like everything I've like looked through a lot, which is fine, totally fine. I don't think I've used this either. It's a dinosaur zoo book. I have a lot of what I've pulled out is like skinnier little things, and this has just like dinosaurs on every page. So maybe we'll flip through this too. So I have a little stack here. This is like such a random, in my mind, a very random stack of books because these are like, I haven't looked at these in a really long time. So that's how I'm feeling right now. We'll just flip through these. Again, I'm on the quest to make a very absurd collage. So let's see if we can make that happen. I feel like these tarts would make great eyes. So I'm gonna remember that. I like this guy with his, I think his colors are cool. I like his pattern. So we'll keep that out too. Actually, I really like this guy. As I was putting it down, I really like this guy's face. Like that he's like coming up from the abyss. Anyway, both those are cool. I've always wanted to use this TV, so today might be the day. I feel like we could do something interesting with all these shoes. Like my first thought was like, do we put the shoes on the shoes on the TV? So it's like the TV has shoes. I don't know. Or maybe like on the fish, like they have. Okay, let's pull these out because I think they have potential. They definitely have potential. So now that I've looked through those books, I'm kind of digging the TV with the shoes, or maybe a fish with shoes. I also kind of liked the idea of these tarts being eyes, and there's also like these girls' faces back here where I could put the tart eyes on. So I'm kind of thinking let's go in that direction, at least for now. And I think we're gonna need a background and we're gonna need some other things, but I feel like these shoes, there's so much potential. So let's get them cut out and start seeing what this is gonna look like. All right, I got my shoes cut out. Let's blind react to how this could look together. Now, the one thing I did notice is there's only two that are facing the right. All the other ones are facing the left. So I think we might have to pick one of these. Now, I think I want to keep the actual leg of the TV and put that in the shoe. And so I'll cut out these straps and have it like the legs actually in the shoe. And then I guess for the other one, maybe one of these, I guess this one, we could do the same thing. So it's like wearing the shoe. I think this might work. I think it's funny. Okay, let's just see. What if we put two shoes on each side? It might be too much. Maybe we'd have to do like it without the legs. Actually, let's see what this shoe is like. I think I like the other two shoes better. I like this idea. I think this is gonna be funny. And once I get all the like straps cut out and so the feet look like they're actually slipping into the shoes, I think we're gonna have a winner. But I think we should only do one on each side. I think it would be too much if we try to do too many shoes per side. So we're gonna do that one and this shoe. Now, obviously, I'm going to cut out the horse race that's happening on the TV and we'll put something more interesting in there. And then also, I think we should put this on a background. I don't know if we're gonna put it in a landscape or maybe put it on top of a table. It would be funny if this was like in a living room, maybe. I don't know, but it needs to live in an environment because it just does. Oh, we could put this guy coming out of the TV. So imagine we cut out this and then put this guy in here, but we have his head coming out of the TV a little bit because he kind of looks like he's coming towards you. So it'll be like he's swimming out of the TV. Absolutely love that idea. Let's make it happen. And we'll get this on a different background. Yeah, I love this idea. Let's do it. Oh, that's good. That's gonna be really, really good. Oh, I love that. Okay, this is looking good. It's exciting. Okay, what's next? We gotta cut out this. Perfect, love it, couldn't be happier, love that. Let's see what the shoes are gonna look like. Never thought I'd be putting shoes on a TV leg, but that's okay, first time for everything. Oh, this is a strappy heel. Okay, and that goes behind. All right, we're getting there. Okay, I did it. That's what the, oh my God, it's so good. Oh my goodness, okay, I absolutely love it. Oh God, it's great. Okay, this is so good. It's so good. I love it so much. It's so good. We just have to now figure out where we want this guy to live. I would love to put it like in a living room, maybe. I feel like that might be funny, but maybe it should go outside. I don't know. So I'm struggling a little bit with the background, but I did find a few things that I think I might want to add to the piece, whatever the background may be. So I found these two dolls, but I really like this bigger one and feel like we could place her sort of like creepily behind the TV as she's sort of like presenting it out and she's just kind of like staring behind it. I think that might be an interesting addition. Okay, this is the biggest piece of paper I have in my house. I feel like this is a pretty big piece. It should be fine. Okay, so this is what we got going on. Okay, I have no idea. No idea. So I was just flipping through this Our Universe book that I have, and I found this image. Now, I think it would be funny if we could get each of the high heels to like sit on a, what are these called? Not boulders, asteroid, from this asteroid belt. Oh, these fit kind of well. Okay, this one goes over here and this one like sits on that one. I kind of love how dynamic the background is. So it's really like everything's coming at you, which I kind of love. I think that this might be the background. I do miss the doll. I liked her as like the background thing, but I don't think that she fits if we use this background. And I was definitely struggling to find a background to fit everything in before. And I really like how this looks. I love the blue. I just think the colors work really well. So I think I'm gonna move ahead with this background. I really love this collage. I love the high heels, the TV legs and the high heels, and the fish coming out of the TV. Oh, it's so good. I love it so much. And it's just goofy and silly, and I feel like this is what I've always wanted to make. It's everything I've always wanted to make, and I'm very happy it's in my life now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Thursday for another collage video. Bye.